Okay, we're gonna show you the drum set that I'm building. I'm trying to make some guitars and I'm building this drum center. This will be the cabinet of the drum center. I'm not done with it yet, I'm painting it. These right here are the cavities where the bearings are gonna go. That's one side, that's the other side. This bracket right here, unpainted bracket, will be the racer. The screw is gonna go over here. Bring it to me, Titus, over there. I have a nut right there, if you can see it, maybe. I'm gonna screw it in with this threaded rod to raise the shelf. You'll see it later. And I have my bearings, my pulley. See the bearings are gonna be mounted like so, and the other side kind of like that. And this will be the drum where the sandpaper is gonna wrap around. I got a 1-inch steel shaft and I glue it with epoxy. It's not perfectly straight yet, but I'm gonna get it straight. It's one thing. And what else? Oh yeah, the motor. I have my motor with a pulley. This came out of a saw, some kind of saw. Hopefully it's strong enough. So far I have spent $150 and I used the stuff that I had in my garage already. So most of it is just labor. I'll videotape another session when I'm done. This will be a drum sander. I'm gonna use it to make guitars. Okay.